Mr. General Evaluator, fellow Toastmasters, and Mr. Ram Gopal in particular, diffusing verbal criticism, Project 3. I personally liked the way the opening was just spectacular, and I was taken by surprise by Vinod's reaction, and it caught my attention. I think you're moving a little out of your comfort zone by trying a new innovative way of opening, which I appreciate. I want to continue further. In terms of how to explain what verbal criticism is all about and the stages to go through, you have done homework by putting it on the board. Very easy to understand, very easy to go. What I particularly liked about the explanation was you you connected with family and value systems. Something you're able to understand, and the one thing that you saw that when the speaker came in was you responded non-defensively by acknowledging what he said, you nodded your head, then you went on to give him the reason why it happened. All that is pretty fine. You skipped ask questions and paraphrasing, which is not necessary. I wish probably if you had expanded this theme a little more and gone into all the 5 stages, it will make it very nice for the audience to understand, even though it's not needed exactly. Not all criticism gets into all these lines. Coming to the role play, I did remind telling you last time, introduce the role player, then bring him on, not introduce the role player after he comes on. The element of suspense goes there. I think that's not gone in clearly. Probably next project will do that. In terms of asking questions and question schemes, you were not comfortable replying to questions from the audience. Especially the term paraphrase has not been gone through perfectly. I think Mr. Vinod explained it perfectly what paraphrasing meant. And also the word image and self-image, public image, you will get confused initially. The public image is what others, is the perception of others about us. Self-image is what we think about ourselves. If that could have been explained a little more clearly, it would be nice. I like the way you go about doing projects with a goal and mission as an area governor. Little more energy, little more homework. We'll make this good speaker a great speaker. Congrats.
A little more to add on. Right? I got scared when you started attacking the speaker. I was exactly sitting in front of you. A little later, I came to know that it was part of the speech. I liked the idea behind it. The role play was pretty well done when you were called on stage. And in line with the topic criticism, thank you for attacking him as assisting the speaker. Mr. Ram Gopal, your topic was good, but somewhere I thought you could not answer well. You were just trying to cover up the people who were asking questions. I don't know, somehow I thought you were not well prepared. Topics like this, criticism, is a little, it's a very delicate topic where you need to be well prepared. Because the audience would definitely know that you're lacking answers. And next time when topics on something like this, I think you need to be a little more well prepared. That's what I think.